Hello friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, I am going to deliver multiple choice questions on B2B e-commerce. So let's start with question number 1. B2B stands for A. Business to government, B. Business to consumer, C. Business to business, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is C. Business to business. Question number 2. Compared to B2B e-commerce is B2B commerce is A. Of equal size, B. Slightly smaller, C. Slightly larger, D. Much larger. And the answer is D. Much larger. Question number 3. For carrying out business to business, e-commerce for following infrastructure is in essential. Option A. Corporate network, B. Electronic data interchange standards, C. Secure payment service, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 4. In B2B e-commerce, option A. Cooperating business should give an EDI standards to be used. B. Program must be developed to translate EDI forms to form accepted by application program. C. Method of transmitting or receiving data should be mutually agreed. D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 5. Which form of e-commerce currently accounts for about 97% of all e-commerce revenues? Option A. B2B, option B. B2C, option C. C2B, option D. C2C. And the correct answer is A. B2B. Question number 6. Among the alternate models of B2B e-commerce, dash is the best means to obtain a competitive advantage in the marketplace. Your options: A. Process based, B. Strategic relationship based, C. Transaction based, D. Any of these. And the answer is B. Strategic relationship based. Question number 7. Delivering different messages to members of a business decision making unit is a key difference between B2C and B2B marketing, which is reflected in web design through option A. Different feature stories appealing to different members of the audience, option B. Questions on a form inquiring about the status of business in the purchase decision process, option C. Different to options appealing to different members of the audience, and option D. Content referencing the needs of companies of different sizes. And the correct answer is A. Different feature stories appealing to different members of the audience. Question number 8. A longer decision making process then for many consumer products is a key difference between B2C and B2B marketing, which is reflected in a web design through option A. Different feature stories appealing to different members of the audience, option B. Content referencing the needs of companies of different sizes, C. Different navigation options appealing to different members of the audience, and option D. Questions on a form inquiring about the status of the business in the purchase decision process. And the correct answer is D. Questions on a form inquiring about the status of the business in the purchase decision process. Question number 9. Business to business, that is B2B e-commerce involves commercial transaction between an organizational and other, that is inter-organizational marketing. Your options are A. People, B. Organizations, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Organizations. Question number 10. The dash goal of a business to business website involves gaining permission from a website visitor to engage in future dialogue by email and other communication channels. Your options are A. Speak, B. Sizzle, C. Sell, D. Serve. And the answer is A. Speak. Question number 11. Three broad types of B2B organizations are identified as A. Domestic, regional and international organizations. B. Small, medium and large enterprises. C. Commercial, government and institutional organization. D. Small companies, large enterprises and not-for-profit organizations. And the correct answer is C. Commercial, government and institutional organization. Question number 12. Dash is an example of business-to-business services offered by Google, which gains advertising revenue through hosted videos. Option A. Google AdWords, pay-per-click sponsored link advertising. B. Google App Business Application Suite. C. YouTube brand channels. D. None of the above. And the correct answer is C. YouTube brand channels. Question number 13. Dash is an example of business-to-business services offered by Google application running as a part of a customer's website. Option A. Google search application providing online website search. B. Google Apps business application. C. YouTube brand channel. D. Google AdWords click sponsored link advertising. And the answer is A. Google search application providing online website search. Question number 14. A portal, which is an online platform operated by a third party and is open to buyers or sellers in a particular industry, is A. Vertical and horizontal e-marketplace. B. Supplier oriented marketplace. C. Buyer oriented marketplace. D. B2B independent e-marketplace. And the correct answer is D. B2B independent e-marketplace. Question number 15. From the following list, which is a part of the supplier oriented marketplace? Option A. Consumers. B. Business consumers. C. B2B e-commerce. D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 16. From the following, which is not a part of key technologies used in B2B e-commerce? Option A. EDI. B. Internet. C. Intranet. D. Consumers. And the correct answer is D. Consumers. Question number 17. What are the parts of intermediaries electronic mall? A. Consumers order information. B. Share products catalog. C. Suppliers product information. D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 18. B2B marketing is fundamentally different from consumer goods or services marketing because A. Distribution channel for business products are significantly longer. B. Customer relationships for business products tend to be short-term and transaction-based. C. Organizational buyers do not consume the products or service themselves. D. Customer service plays a smaller role in the distribution of business products. And the answer is C. Organizational buyers do not consume the products or service themselves. Question number 19. What are the key elements of the supplier electric mall? Option A. Supplier product catalog. B. Customers order information. C. Both A and B. Option D. None of these. And the correct answer is C, and that is both A and B. Thank you.